We're back with Konosuba episode 6. Last episode, Megumin did her first explosion. She did her first explosion. It was to save her sister, and Yun. It was a clutch moment. It was super nostalgic because I haven't heard the explosion OST in so long. And now, since Yun and Megumi both learned magic or even did magic, they graduated their school. So they're now graduates of their school. Last episode was super sick, dude. Komiko making friends with demons and scaring off demons by just growling. She's super unhinged and very fearless, which is makes her character even better. And they finally named Chomusuke Chomusuke. But yeah, let's just get right into this, man. Episode 6, man. You know how it goes. Already with the OST, man. Let's go. That's a bar. A fucking bar. What happened? Did she explode the whole store? Yo. She blew up the whole fucking store. Or something. Wow. Damn, so many. 300? How much? Jesus, that's a lot of fucking money. So you're saying you're employed, man? Wow. That's mad disrespectful. That's mad disrespectful. Jesus Christ. Jesus fuck. Oh my god. That's probably just Megumin. What the hell? What is going on? It was her. Yeah, you're the one that did the explosion last night. Yo. Oh, so now y'all friends. Yeah, exactly. Yo. Yo, she's getting her shit shaken up, bro. Chomusuke. Come on, Chomusuke is so cute, bro. What did I pull here? What are you trying to hurt the cat for, dude? What's your few ideas in mind, man? Why is she drooling? Why is Komiko drooling? Ew, why she look so old? Yo, start strangling, goddamn! Oh, the bear joints. The one-punch bears. Yo, she got knocked out by potatoes? That's crazy. They both got fucked up. They both got fucked. They're terrorizing potatoes now. Yo, nah, making me look scarred as fuck. Oh. Whoa. Oh. She wanna blow some steam off. Jesus. And she's got to faint. Megumi is crazy, bro. Or you die at such cap. Yeah, call her stupid. Carry your own. Yeah, that's the day she was talking about. Newborn infant. She injured herself, man. You gotta lie. Let's see how she caps. Come on, let's hear this lie. Jesus. Wow. She just like me, man. She just like me. Look at me just like me, bro. Damn, how does it not hurt? Chomusuke! Who's that? They're both having so much fun, her and Chomusuke. Oh, who the hell is this? Not there. What the fuck is Chomusuke doing in your shirt, bro? It's watch. She thinks it's gonna be for her, but it's gonna be for Chomusuke actually. And they're gonna find out Chomusuke is a girl. Exactly. See, I told you, bro. I told you. Mate, it's just classic Konosuba, bro. They're both just asleep, man. Wallbach? Who the fuck is that? Bitch, that's Chomosuke. Yeah. Oh. Is she gonna give a Chomosuke for that? Paltry. No, don't let go of Chomosuke. No, Chomosuke wants you. Cho's leaving us today. That's so sad, bro. But... No, you don't. Stop lying. There she is, back again. God damn! Chomosuke is gonna fuck her up, dude. Jesus Christ. What? It's the demon lady. She's trying to give you Chomosuke, but Chomosuke doesn't want you, bro. Shout out to Chomosuke, yo. You're freaking out. The fuck is she doing, bro? She just died? I love it how Megumin and then just make friends with just demons. Crazy fucking demons like that, dude. Oh my, she's having relationship problems. That's sad. He doesn't want you, man. Chomosuke doesn't want you, man. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. Yo, what the hell? What? The trashy man. They're about to blow up Megumi's house, dude. Jesus. Worthless? That's insane. Damn, you're making her break down, dude. Well, at least you know how to repel her. It's just bring trashy men around. And that's it. That's all you need. Whoa. She left it. Damn. Uni wants to be with you, man. Damn, 6 months? Damn. That's it, man. Damn. At least take Chomosuke with you, man. Like, you know, you can take Chomosuke with you, right? Damn, Chomosuke is literally smothered in your bosom. The last night of, you know, sisters being together, man. Much, you like much. Yo. Her staff. Wow, that's sick. Oh, it worked. The medicine worked. But... Yo. Oh my gosh, she's getting her eye patch? Yeah.
俺は力を抑える魔道具なんだ作家なんだよ。作家になって人を喜ばせる作品を書きたいんだ。いつかめぐみんの冒険譚も聞かせてほしいな。
It's about to be a fucking comic book. Not like a crazy story. There we go. Her look, her classic look when she first pulled up. I'm just sad Chomosuke isn't gonna be with her, man. Wow. That's beautiful. Yo, let's go. She's actually traveling, bro. Let's go. There she goes, off into the distance, like Team Rocket. Konosuba always brings my energy up. You know, always makes you happy and smile. I love watching every single second of the episode. It got kind of sentimental at the end because, you know, Megumi's leaving her village, but then now you realize it, she always was gonna leave the village, so it doesn't matter in the end. You know, it's just a bit sentimental. At least we saw her whole backstory and how she got her classic staple look. You know, the eye patch and the hat, the overcoat, and the staff, and Chomosuke as well. Yeah, so it was a wholesome episode filled with just classic Konosuba comedy. How Chomosuke is supposed a demon, and another demon pulled up that was a servant to Chomosuke, but Chomosuke didn't want to go. It's crazy how she swindled that one demon out of 300,000 heirs, which is insane. All she had to do was bring in trashy men. Super excited for next episodes because now that we left the village, I feel like, because honestly I thought like this whole season was just going to be her in the village and how she lived her life, but now we're going to see how she takes on the real world once she's out there by herself, not in her village, surrounded by people who she does not know. That's all I got. So, I'll see y'all in the next one. Toodaloo's.